All right, so the essence of a character. When you think of the word essence, the essence is always about something like what makes that thing a certain thing, or makes an animal, makes a person. The essence of something is pretty much its soul. So when you think about characters and you think about plays or film or even just regular shows or series, most of the most successful pieces of art, film series, what have you, all have powerful characters. You can have a great storyline, but if your characters aren't believable, it kind of falls flat. If you have a great character, but you have bad script, sometimes if the character is strong enough, it will still kind of suck you in and get you past a lot of that. Some of the most successful writers in Hollywood, as well as playwrights, have effectively always had really good characters. Characters are pretty much what pulls you into the story, what pretty much gets you to invest in what you're seeing. So as an actor now, going on 17 years of doing acting professionally, over the years, I have honed the craft and really try to get better with my character study. A lot of times when I used to get scripts, I would just learn the lines off the muscle, learn the whole entire script, and I felt good about that. But as I got to work more under different directors and my mentors kind of sold into me that, you can't just get caught up on the script. You have to understand the story, and you have to understand your purpose in the story. So the essence of a character is what's going to bring that to a story. So we'll use an example. When you think of an animal, for instance, a lion, what would you say the essence of a lion is? Not what a lion does, what is a lion? How do you know the difference between a lion and a tiger? So if somebody were to say, well, a lion, is strong, okay? There's other animals that are strong. Well, it has this particular look. Okay, looks are a part of it, but what is the essence of a lion? When you think of a lion, you think of courage. You definitely think of strength. Lions are very calculating. So when you have the essence of a lion and you apply that essence to a character, that's when now you can kind of see different things come through. So, for instance, if I had a character that I need to play that's bold or, just a strong person, mentally strong, I might pull from the essence of a lion because those are the characteristics of a lion. So when somebody asks about you, or when they tell somebody, hey, you ever heard of this person? A lot of times we always kind of compare what people do to who they are. So when people ask about me, oh, he's a playwright, or he's a producer, or he's a director, he's an actor. That's what I do. That's not who I am. So the essence of a character makes clear of who that character is.